Hello everyone, welcome to Students Point. This is 8th of December and we are going to see all of the important questions for the day. So pay your attention till the end. And to get PDF of all these videos, you can join us on Telegram by writing the channel's name, Students Point. You can also follow us on Instagram by writing the username, The Students Point. And if you are finding this video useful, then don't forget to like the video and do share the video with your friends and loved ones. Also don't forget to press the subscribe button and the bell icon below to receive the notification of all the latest important videos. Now here is a question for the day, which everyone has to answer in the comment section. The question is, who has been named as the Kid of the Year on Time magazine cover? These are the options. Read the options carefully and then answer it. Let's begin the first question now. Jasdan Taluka, recently in news, is located in? So it is located in state of Gujarat. So here C is the right answer. It was in news recently because 3 ascetic lions have walked around 100 km from Dhari in Gir to reach Jasdan Taluka of Rajkot district in Gujarat. They have been camping in a grassland and a revenue area of Jasdan for a week now, and this is for the second time in a row that they have visited Jasdan. Their Jasdan visit differs for the fact that it is second year in a row and that too around the same time of the year. Also, this Jasdan is not connected to Amreli by any contiguous riverine patch, but still they have migrated there. Next question now. The famous Vijaya Vitala temple at Hampi is located in? So it is located in the state of Karnataka. So here B is the right answer. Why it is in news now? Because recently Archaeological Survey of India has decided to barricade the chariot of this temple so that tourists cannot visit near and touch it and destroy this chariot. So now tourists can no longer get too close to this iconic stone chariot in front of this Vijaya Vitala temple at Hampi. It is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So because of few antisocial elements, true architecture lovers will now be not in a position to see it from very close. And this chariot inside this temple complex has a shrine dedicated to Garud, but this sculpture of Garud is now missing. And the Hampi chariot is among the 3 famous chariots in India. The other one is in Konark in Odisha and the next one is in Mahabalipuram in Tamil Nadu. And this temple and this chariot was built in the 16th century by the orders of King Krishnadeva Raya, who was a ruler of Vijayanagar. The dedicated carved chariot at Hampi reflects the skill of temple architecture under the patronage of Vijayanagar rulers during that time. And you can enroll yourself into our new batch for UPSC and State PCS 2021. The new batch will begin from 8th of December. The price for it is just Rs 2249, and you can enroll even in 2 installments if you have financial issues, half at now and half by end of December. All the syllabus will be completed for UPSC, and after subscribing you have to send your confirmation here pointstudent2020@gmail.com. The link for subscription will be provided below in the comment section as well as in the description box of the video. Go there. All the guidelines for subscribing has been given there. You can just go and subscribe. Okay, let's move ahead now. The third question. International Civil Aviation Day is being observed on? So it is observed, last day it was observed on 7th of December. So here B is the right answer. The purpose of International Civil Aviation Day is to help generate awareness of the importance of international civil aviation and of unique role of ICAO in helping states to cooperate and realize a truly global rapid transit network at the service of all mankind. The theme is Advancing Innovation for Global Aviation Development. This will be the theme till 2023. Remember, the same theme will remain till 2023. So I repeat this theme once again. Advancing Innovation for Global Aviation Development. Next question now. Which country imposed millionaire tax on country's richest people to fund coronavirus countermeasures? So it is Argentina, which is a country in South America, has done so. Under this scheme, people who have declared assets of worth more than 200 million pesos, the currency of that country, will pay a progressive rate of up to 3.5% on wealth in Argentina. If they have wealth outside of Argentina, then they will have to pay 5.2% on wealth. Next question now. Pange ki Thangi, striving for GI tag, is mainly grown in. So it is grown in Pange Valley of Himachal Pradesh. So here C is the right answer. Himachal Pradesh government is trying to obtain geographical indication tag for its 5 products from the state. These 5 products include Karsog Kult, Thange ki Pangi, Chamba Metal Crafts, Chamba Chuk, and Rajma of Barmor. Let's see some details of these products. Kasorgarh Kult. This is called as kulthi or kult, which is horse gram. It is a legume grown as a kharif crop in Himachal Pradesh, and it is grown in Karsog area. That is why it is called as Karsog Kult. And it is believed to be rich in amino acid. Our next product is Pange ki Thangi. It is a special type of hazelnut which grows in Pange Valley and this Pange Valley is located in the northwestern edge of Himachal Pradesh, and it is known for its unique flavor and sweetness. The next product is Chamba Metal Craft. Chamba Metal Craft includes items like metal idols, brass utensils, which historically were made by skilled artisans in the court of King of Chamba. Our next product is Chamba Chuk. Chamba Chuk is actually a chutney made from green and red chilies. These chilies are grown in the area of Chamba. That is why it has been termed as Chamba Chuk, and it is prepared in a traditional way, and the practice is largely has declined in rural households of Chamba, but it still survives to some extent at the small scale industrial level. The next product is Bharmori Rajma. This is also called as Kugtalu Rajma, since it is grown in areas around Kugti Pass in Bharmor region of Chamba district. So you should not expect only questions related to these products, but you can even expect questions like Kugti Pass is located where. So you have to remember it is located in Himachal Pradesh. Then you have to remember this Chamba is located where. Again it is located in Himachal Pradesh. Pange Valley is located where? Again in Himachal Pradesh. So questions may be covered from anywhere. So you have to be attentive while covering any questions so that you cover the surrounding areas as well to solve expanded questions. And please note that Kullu Sal, Chamba Rumal, Kinnauri Sal, and Kangra paintings, and 3 agriculture products which include Kangra tea, Basmati, and Himachali Kala Jeera, and 1 manufactured product, Himachali Chulli oil, have already got GI tag from Himachal Pradesh. I repeat these names once again, very important names: Kullu Sal, Chamba Rumal, Kinnauri Sal, Kangra paintings, Kangra tea, Basmati, Himachali Kala Jeera, and Himachali Chulli oil. Next question now. Consider the following statements about Agra Metro project. It consists of 2 corridors with a total length of 29.4 km. So this is correct. And the estimated cost of this project is going to be 8,000 crores. This is also correct. So here C is the right answer. The estimated cost of this project is rupees 8,379.62 crore. They will not ask it precisely. Just remember that it is more than 8,000 crore. The project is to be completed in 5 years. Next question now. Consider the following statements about robotic surgery. What is it? It integrates advanced computer technology with experience of skilled surgeons. This is correct. So just like in Iron Man, you must have seen that how the Tony Stark is lying on a bed and his heart is operated by some machines and a doctor as well, surgeon. This is called as robotic surgery. and it allows doctors to perform different types of complex procedures with more precision, flexibility, control than possible with conventional techniques. So this is also correct. So quite obvious, when you are using machine, the sole purpose of using machine is to reduce the complexities and do things more precisely with more flexibility. So here both of these options are correct. So C is the right answer. It helps in shorter recovery times with fewer complications and a shorter hospital stay for patients. It also results in less pain, less blood loss, and a smaller or less noticeable scars. Why it was in news? Because recently, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India has standardized health policies across all health insurers to even cover robotic and bariatric surgeries. So it is quite a welcoming step that even robotic and bariatric surgeries will now be covered in health policies. What are bariatric surgery? This is an operation that helps lose weight by making changes to the digestive system. Remember this term, very important, bariatric surgery, in which certain changes in digestive system are made to reduce the body weight. And if you have found the video useful till now, do like the video and do share the video with your friends and loved ones. Next question now. The Armed Forces Flag Day has been observed on. So it was observed last day on 7th of December again. So here B is the right answer. The day is dedicated towards collection of funds from people, and this collected fund will be used for the welfare of armed personnel, ex-servicemen, and also to rehabilitate the battle casualties. The Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has recently announced that this day will now be celebrated throughout the month of December and has called on people to contribute to this fund. The month of December is to be celebrated as Gaurav Mah. Now let's see some points in news. Jupiter and Saturn will be very close to each other on 21st of December 2020. They will be appearing like one bright star. If two celestial bodies visually appear close to each other from Earth, it is called as conjunction. They may ask you, what is conjunction? So conjunction is nothing but it is appearance of two large celestial bodies very close to each other. Great conjunction. Astronomers use this word great conjunction to describe meetings of two biggest worlds in the solar system, which are Jupiter and Saturn, and it happens about every 20 years. And this conjunction is the result of orbital paths of Jupiter and Saturn coming into the line as viewed from Earth. But this conjunction is very important as it is going to be the closest alignment of Saturn and Jupiter since year 1623 in terms of distance, as this closeness will now be witnessed next time in 2080 only. So I hope you find the video useful. Do like and do share the video, subscribe and press the bell icon. We will meet again in the next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching.